YouTube link.
Are we doing YouTube or is it just us?
We're doing it. We're already live.
I don't see the YouTube link.
Really?
No.
Okay. Let me just throw it up there for you guys then. And then we can go ahead and get started with it. Good morning to those that are live with us. Let me put this link up here for you guys. Link. Okay. For those that want that link. Okay, let's go ahead and get started.
There. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis here. I'm going to be going over S&P 500, the major levels. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels on S&P, and then we'll be going over gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for me, I got support lying between these 60 to 61s. We'll see if that kind of holds up. This morning, we are moving to the downside as of right now. Could be pretty bearish. Below this area, 46.55 for me, and then below that is 46.48.75. So I'm gonna be watching to see what we do here at this support off the open. Resistance is above 46.68 to about 70, and then above that 46.74 and 46.79.50 are gonna be my areas of resistance. So we'll see what happens. Let me go ahead and hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you guys some of the minor levels she has here.
Okie doke. Let me share my screen here. Okay. So here we are. Let me get my crosshair. Here we are. Here's a lot of noise right here. Why is this level marked? You should have that level marked. It's not showing here on the 8-tick, but back on the 19th, it is the support that broke to the downside. This is a support that broke to the downside right here. And you can see the challenge here, and you can see this noise right above here because it's a battle. You know, the bears want to keep it low, and the bulls are going to lose everything if they let it go. And they did. They lost everything. But what we want to do now is what we wanted to do before we get into Zoom is mark our areas of value. Here is your support, 58. Why is that support? Because it is a peak back on the 11th and 12th. So the market might want to come down here, or it's going to use this 61 area right here, double bottom. So far, so good as support. But what we did for the other sessions over here in this playground is we're marking our peaks. Here's one at 68. Here's one at 72. You can see it used it. Here's one here at 79. You can see it used it here and here for the up move, going up to this target right here. Or you can trail it up higher, it just depends. So here's this line again. Remember way back from the 11th and 12th, challenge here, challenge here. This looks like it's going to move down some more now. But what's going to tell us that is this peak right here, this support right here, support, challenge, stop loss hunt, challenge. This thing's going down. There's no way the bulls are ready to bring this up yet, so it's going down. Where did it go down to? Coincidentally enough, right down here to our double bottom area. If this continues to hold, then the bulls have a chance to recover, but they have a long way to go. First, they have to pass up this 67 area, pop it up, use it as resistance to continue the move up higher. So we'll see what they give us today. But if anybody shorted here, good for you. If anybody went long here, it's good too. Just be careful, it's a fade. Okay, sweetheart, back to you for oil and gold.
Good job. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back up. We're on 3. Okay, leave this off Let's pull up gold for you guys. So for gold, we did have nice downward movement. Didn't necessarily touch 1776.5 yet, but we'll see if we get down there. I do think if we continue to hold underneath 1784.7, we may end up seeing more bearish movement to the downside. So we'll see about that. My support there, again, you can see is going to be 76.5. Resistance of above 84.7, and then above that 1789.9. That's going to be the area I'm looking for the market to try to gradually come through, or to and through, if we get through this level of 84.7. So we'll see what happens. Support again, look for the longs off of 81.1 and resistance at 84.7 as of current. Moving over into crude oil for you guys. Crude oil, I got support here, 78.07 to about 77.85. That's going to be our areas of support, and we're looking for long opportunities. So if we do get down to this 77.85, and we hold it, that could be the long I'm looking for. If we get underneath that next level down, 77.52 and 76.80, for the upside, I like the wider level of 79.29, but there could be a more current area that we look at as resistance, which we'll mark for you guys now, 78.74. That could stall that upward movement if we get up to that level. So we'll see what happens as we get into the open. But again, thank you guys for watching live stream with us. We won't have a live stream tomorrow, as it's going to be, I believe, a holiday, Thanksgiving. So again, I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and we will see you guys later. For those who are in the room with us, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.
Hey, hon.
Yes.
Yeah, you might want to work on that